fact that is false. January LSAT is not too late. I would not recommend applying later than that for this admission cycle for a couple of reasons. One is that your chances are a little bit reduced. And on top of that, there may be less scholarship money available. But I imagine a lot of you are taking the LSAT in November, just a couple of weeks away, but you may also want to retake in January. And I'm here to tell you, it's perfectly fine to retake in January and still apply this cycle. But if January doesn't work out or you're not ready by then and you want to go for February or March, I would suggest instead, don't apply this cycle. You can take it in the spring if you want to. You could take it in February if you want to. But I would then suggest applying next fall at the very beginning of the cycle. And the nice thing is, if you take February or March or April, you could then retake in June or July if you want to, and maybe go up a few points, maybe not. But either way, law schools only take the highest score. They don't average multiple scores. So not really a downside to retaking. I recommend actually taking it at least twice because, hey, you could do better. I would never suggest taking it with the plan of taking it again, but hey, you never know, could be worth it. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.